Hey guys, I'm at a property in Ann Arbor. By the way, this is Mike from M1 Home Buyers. I'm at a property in Ann Arbor. This is about a 2,000 square foot. It's a 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath. Right now I'm standing in the basement and I'm just gonna take you through a quick walkthrough. This is about a month into the project and I'm just taking you through a look. So here's the family room. This fireplace, we're gonna put some tile on the fireplace. It's like a white tile that like we're gonna throw on there. This room is about 250 square feet. So this was an add-on. This was the exterior wall. They added this room to the house, which kind of sits on a slab. Here's the kitchen, and you can kind of tell from the look on where the cabinets are going to sit. Here's the laundry room. Back here in this corner, there's going to be a wet bar that's going to be over there, that we're waiting to get the delivery of, like, the cabinets. This wall right here was partially opened, probably about 6 feet, probably about 4 feet that we opened up. So the kitchen kind of leads into the dining room, and then you go into the living room. And I'm gonna walk upstairs. Oh, and then there was a small wall right here that separated the entrance from, like, the living room. So we opened it up to make the house look a little bit bigger. I'll show you from this side as you're walking in on what it looks like. And I'm gonna take you upstairs. So we put laminate flooring throughout the whole house. All the casing and all the base molding is all brand new. We ripped out the old stuff and we're installing all brand new. These are all brand new doors. So here's one of the bedrooms. So this bathroom has not been touched because we just left it here for them to use as they're working on the house. And then I'll show you the bathroom downstairs. I'm gonna walk in here so I can show you this. So here is the main, this is like the master. Here's all the recessed lights. And this has got its own closet, its own walk-in closet. And here's the bathroom. This has its own master bath. Here's the vanity, is gonna sit here. And we put a brand new shower. We took out, like, the old one and we put a brand new shower, which is gonna get tiled hopefully like this week. It's got a notch seat right there also. And we use the same flooring in all the bedrooms of the laminate flooring. And here's the third bedroom right here. So we're looking probably on finishing the project maybe in about a month or so. And I'm gonna take you outside and show you this house sits on 2.5 acres. 2.5 acres of land to the house, and it's in Sequoia Township, which is right outside of Ann Arbor. So it's a huge, nice piece of land. And I think there's probably about 5 or 6 houses that are on this road right here. Very quiet. Barely any cars drive by. You don't have no worries with like neighbors. Very nice house. If you have any questions, concern, or if you know of anybody that is looking to sell a house, please reach out, let us know. We always pay a referral fee if we close on the property. So thank you very much. You guys have a good day. Take care.